Welcome everybody. My name is Abdullah. I am the digital officer with TRH. Our presentation today, our workshop is about the digital engagement, social media, and AI. Um, I First of all, if we why the questions why we should be online, why I have to be a presence online. Nowadays, to be online, your business should be online. It's not an optional thing. It's become essential for growth and success in today's digital world. For example, if your business is online, you will expand the reach. You will access a global audience and increase visibility for your business, for your product and services. And this is very important. Also, you will post engagement, connect directly. That means you will connect directly to your customer through interactive platforms. The third goal is enhance credibility. When you are online, you will build a trust and a showcase professionalism with active online presence. So, to be online is not an optional. These days, it's become an essential. Online mean you have a website, you have social media channels, you contact with your customer interactively. So we have a 7 step. We can consider it as a roadmap to establish your digital business effectively. These 7 steps. First of all, we have to define our audience, then creating a website. After that, setting up the social media channel, implementing a digital marketing strategy, then monitor and analyze your performance, optimize for mobile, then building content. So this 7 steps, we will talk about it one by one. The important thing here before you doing or you going online, you have to identify your targeted customer, for example, their age, gender, income level, educations, etc. There is a lot of things you have to make your own research to define your audience. Of course, the second thing we have to understand the behaviors of our customer. What platforms do they use? What content they engage? For example, if we targeting the teenager, for example, or our services targeted the teenager, so we should looking which platform is suitable for them. For example, TikTok or Snapchat. If we are targeting the employer or professional, so we will focus on LinkedIn or Twitter. So it's depend on your service and product. The third things here, we have to know the pain point and needs of your customer. This is what problem do they have, and what we can provide as a product or service can solve or help them. So this 3 categories is very important to define your audience. Here, if we said we will talk about the creating a professional website. There is some steps to create a website. First of all, you have to choose a platform. There is 100 of companies or platforms online. Some of them is free, some of them is paid. So like WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, there is a lot of platforms. So if you need something free, you have to search it. For example, Wix will give you some. And by the way, we will see a video. We'll watch a video. Show us how we can make a website through Wix in just in minutes, and it's totally free. Okay. Next step, we have to design the layout. We have to focus on the design and the layout. We have to ensure a clean professional design that reflects your brand. Okay, your brand, it should be on the website, it should be in the card, the theme, it should be a unique on all your online channels. Then the content is very important also. We have to include on the website the essential pages like the homepage about the business or about your company, then a page dedicated for the services or products, and the contact as well. Because in this day, if you need to know any information about any business directly, you will go to Google or a search engine and looking for that company. So you have to be careful about this information in your website. There is also the SEO, search engine optimization. This is the technique. It should be on your website. That will it's a keywords. It's our meta tags that will help the people looking for the product or services uh, to on the search engine, of course, when they looking, for example, a coffee shop. Okay, so you have to put a keywords in the website when you put a video or a photo or a content. You have to provide that post with a keyword. For example, a coffee shop or coffee shop, cafe, Glasgow, for example, because these words will be in the search engine. If someone search for a coffee, for example, your website or your address will appear in the search results. Then the user experience. User experience. We should make the navigation on the website easy, moving from page to page easy. That will interact the user to read the content or see what's there on your website and navigate through the pages. Now we will watch a video about Wix, as we said. Will show us how to build a website free in a minute also. Okay.
No voice, Mr. Abdullah.
Sorry,
We cannot hear the voice.
nobody can hear the voice.
Can you open it now?
No, we cannot hear the voice.
No voice.
No, I don't hear.
No. No sound also. Okay.
Hi everyone, welcome to this
Yes, done. Yes.
tutorial. My name is Greg, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a free website with Wix. It's actually a lot simpler than you'd think, but there are some important things that we do need to cover. So what I'm going to do is hop in the computer here and go through everything step by step with you. Alright, so now that we're in the computer, all we have to do is head over to Wix.com, or you can use the link that's right down in the description. That's actually my Wix referral link. It doesn't cost you anything, but it gives me credit down the road. That's what helps support this channel and helps me to make more of these tutorial videos going forward. So if you use that link, thank you in advance. This is it here. So you can either click it in the description or just type it in up top. But once you put that in, it's going to take you to just this landing page. The buttons do the same thing as if you were to go to the home page. So you can hit any of these here. Just get started, or you can hit start now. And then it'll just ask you to log into your Wix account or sign up to create a new one. It's just email address and password, very simple. I'll just log in here. So if you're brand new to Wix, you probably don't have a website already, so you'll be prompted with a button that says create your first website. If you do have other websites on this account, no problem. If you want to create a new one, all we have to do is hit create new site right here. And then it brings us to kind of this questionnaire. This is just asking what kind of template do we want to choose from. Now we can completely change this in the next step. So just kind of go into the general category that you're thinking. If you're going into a business, you can just hit business here. And then you have two options. You can either do artificial intelligence, which is this button over here, or you can create your own, which is over here. Now, quickly to cover this, if you do artificial intelligence, it'll ask you questions, and it'll create the website for you. If you do this over here, you can actually choose from templates and customize them yourself. I wholeheartedly recommend you customize it yourself. When you go with the artificial intelligence, sometimes it puts something that you don't want there or you really don't like, and then it becomes more of a hassle to try to fix that. So we'll just hit this button right over here that says choose a template. And now we can see that we're dropped into the business category with a bunch of different subcategories. So all you have to do here is go through, maybe refine this search to whatever your subcategory is, and then you can actually view these templates and see which one you want to use. So as you're scrolling through here, you can view a template or you can edit it. Always make sure you view it before, and what this will do is bring you to that site in kind of a preview so you can see what that site would look like once you start building it. And this is what this one would look like right here. This is actually a really nice site. Everything works really well. We can come in and we can change this and customize it. So if we decide that we don't like this one, all we have to do is close out of this new tab or just go back to the other tab and we can continue what we were doing. We can change our categories. But if we decided we did like that one, all we would have to do is just hit edit this site right up top. Now it takes a minute for this to load here, but once this loads, it'll drop us right into the editor where we can start to actually customize this site. And remember, all of this is completely free to do. So now we're actually brought into the editor right here where we can go in and we can start to change the text and the font and the pictures and everything and customize it to our own site. If you need a really detailed tutorial on how to do all of this, I'll link to one in the description. I did almost an hour tutorial walking through everything in here, so that'll be a really good guide if you're just starting out and need to know how to customize all this. But the long story short is this is going to be your website right here, and all you have to do is hit publish and then set the name for it, which can be the name of your restaurant or the name of your company, whatever you want this to be, and then hit save and continue. Now our whole site is saved. All we have to hit is publish now right here, and it'll make it live. So our whole site is live right now on the internet. We have a free website we just created in 5 minutes right here. This is the link that they give you right here, so you can hit view site, and it'll bring it right to that website. This will be exactly what you designed it. As you change things in the editor, it will instantly update onto this site here. And then this is the link that you can share with people that'll go right to your free website. Now, the couple really important things to talk about on a free Wix website is that you cannot customize this link right here. You cannot take this border away from the top, so it's a little Wix advertisement at the top. And you have to remember, they're giving us a completely free website. They're hosting it completely for free. We're not paying for anything. So that's why there are these small advertisements. You can't customize the URL. And then the last thing is at the bottom, you have proudly created with Wix.com. So the catches to having a free website are this advertisement at the bottom, this header advertisement at the top, and not being able to customize your own custom website name. So
yes, everybody. As we said, Wix, you can create the website totally free in just few minutes. You can do this. Of course, there is a paid version. The paid version will give you more features. You can remove any ads for Wix. You can customize it. You can do a lot of things when you have a paid version. but what we saw before a few minutes is totally free. Okay, the first step in our roadmap is setting up the social media channels. As we know, social media, we have a lot of platforms, and it depends on your target audience, like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube. So there is a lot of social media. So we have to select our platform or the suitable platform for our audience. The second thing, we have to create a profiles. We should use a consistent branding, logo, colors, tone across all platforms. For example, the logo in the website, it should be the same on the Twitter and Instagram and LinkedIn. The theme, the color, it should be the same. Okay, when every channel or the website is different than, for example, the social media, it look not professional. The third thing is the content strategy. We have to put a regular post on the social media to follow with your customer and interact with them. You have to put a plan for regular posts. For example, weekly, daily. It's depend on your business and also the needs of your customer. Also, as we said, the content, it can be a post, it can be videos, photos, infographics, a lot of things. Yeah, how you select this, it depends on your customer. The engagement. The engagement mean we have now our business is on online, so you will receive a lot of feedbacks or comments. So you have to respond to any comments or message from your customer, and this is it's very important things. By the way, after finishing the slide, my colleague Fatu will show you how to use, for example, Canvas. Canvas is a platform for designing. She will show you how to use Canvas, create a post in the Canvas and post it on Facebook, for example. The fourth step, we have to implement a digital marketing strategies. Of course, the strategy is contain a lot of things. First of all, content marketing. We have to create a valuable content, blogs, video, infographics, images. As we said, that addresses your audience needs and establish your authority in the industry. Okay. Also, the SEO. Continuously, we have to optimize our website and the content for the search engine. And now, when always your website, you have to update it with the keywords, with an updates to give the chance for the search engine to show your website in the search results for anyone. The social media marketing, we have to use both organic posts and paid ads. There is a paid ads fee on most of the platform for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. There is a paid ads, and this paid ad, there is a lot of features. Of course, they help you or give you a features to target a specific people. For example, you need to target the people on Glasgow only. So the location, you can also target people from age 18 to 25. So all these features, you can do it with the paid advertisement. The email marketing, like a newsletter, we have to build an email list, and we have to send a personalized, valuable content to our subscribers. So this is will keep your business continuously appear for your customer. Okay, and the paid advertising, as we said before, there is a Google ads, Facebook ads, and you can target specific demographics and drive traffic to your website. Okay, uh, this is the important step after launching your website and launching your social media channels. You have to monitor and analyze the performance. Okay, so there is a lot of tools like Google Analytics, social media insight, and email marketing. All these tools will help you to monitor and analyze the performance, the traffic, how many people visiting your website, how many clicks on this image, for example, or how many people run the video on your website. All these figures will give you a performance indication. The key metrics, of course, the track website traffic, conversation rate, social media engagement, and email open rates. All these key metrics will give you an indication about your site and about your visitor who is using or seeing your website. Of course, after we analyzing the performance, we can adjust our strategy. This data and the feedback will help us to refine our marketing strategy and improve performance. Here we will see a video is talking about the Google Analytics. It's very important video and will show you how the importance of monitoring and analyzing the performance. Sorry, I will stop the sharing and open the video.
My name is Dale, and in this video, I'm going to be...
Oh, this is okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
My name is Dale, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining what is Google Analytics, and talk a little bit about how it works. So, what is Google Analytics? Well, it's just an awesome plugin that allows you to track and analyze all of your website traffic. And traffic is just another word for the visitors to your website. Google Analytics is a must-have tool for anyone interested in growing their website with digital marketing. So what does Google Analytics allow you to see? Well, it lets you see a lot of things, like how many visitors you're getting to your website and where are they coming from, i.e. Google, YouTube, Facebook. How long are they spending on your website? Which pages are they clicking on? Also including what is their age, are they man or woman, what's their city or country. Lots of important data. So having a website but not having Google Analytics is like driving a cruise ship with a blindfold on. You have no idea where you're going, and you'll likely just go in circles without ever finding your desired destination. So if your destination is to make those sweet hard-earned dollar bills, then this could be important. So how does Google Analytics even work? Well, let's say I have a website. And the main goal of this website is to sell a product or maybe promote some kind of service. And then finally get paid for that product or service. And let's also say that I'm running ads to my website and I'm running them through Google, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. So now I've got 4 different ways that somebody could find my website. Once I install Google Analytics, I'll get this special code that will be inserted into my website to help with tracking. And don't worry, you don't need to know any coding to get this up and running. I have a video link in the description that shows you step by step how to install Google Analytics onto your WordPress website. So that code will then track where my visitors are coming from so that I can see which ad or which platform is generating me the most or the least amount of traffic. or it could tell me whether the video ads are working better than my picture ads, and lots of other helpful data like that. And once those visitors are on your website, Google Analytics will also let you see how many people are bouncing off of your website and where they're bouncing off. So is it on the home page? Is it on the landing page for your product? Or are they bouncing off at the checkout cart? That way, you can figure out what needs to be improved on your website so that you can keep people going down that funnel all the way to purchasing. And as I said before, you can see statistics about your visitors, such as their age range and whether they're men or women, and other stats like that. That way, you can target the best majority demographic and hopefully grow your website. And if you want awesome website tutorials, design
Mhm. Yes, everybody, you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So as we say, this Google Analytics, one of the famous tools on it's free also. Through that one, you can monitor and analyze your performance, and depend on the data there, you can refine or adjust your marketing strategy and improve your performance. The optimize for mobile, when we are creating a website or designing our post on the social media, we have to be careful about the mobile, how it will appear on the mobile, because most of the people using their mobile to browsing the internet, to browsing the social media. So it's very important to be care about the design on the mobile. Uh, Consistency here mean we have to build a strong online presence. Everything should be branded. The brand image across all digital channel, as we said before, is very important. The second thing, engagement. You have to interact with your audience to build the trust and loyalty. It's very important also. Any feedbacks, any comments, you have to answer them. The feedback also, we have to collect the feedbacks for our customer to improve our product and services. And we will, that feedback will help us to make a marketing strategy, our updated. Anyway, we arrived to the end of our presentation today. If we follow that 7 steps roadmap, I think we will be successful digitally and will be effective. Start your business. I think now Fatu will show you the how to use the canvas to create a post and publish it on the one of the social media channels. Fatu?
Thank you, Abdullah. Hello everyone. So I'm just going to show you briefly how to navigate the Canva, where you can use it for your social media post, and as well as making presentations and different things that you can do online. So I'm not sure if you guys have heard about Canva before. If you have, well and good. If not, it's a tool that you can actually use to make flyers, do presentations, do videos, graphs, brainstorm ideas, and things like that. There's a free version of it where you can use it for free. And then if you want like more and then more updated stuff, it charges about, I think, £13 a month, where it gives you like unlimited ideas. So let's say, for example, you are looking for maybe a flyer to promote your catering business, maybe for the Ramadan. So all you have to do, maybe put here, just type in the search box, Ramadan food, let's say flyer. Okay. So as you can see here, you have different. So if it's got like the crown sign here that says pro, it means you have to pay for it. If it doesn't have that, like that one here, then that means it's free. So let's maybe click on this one. Okay. Taking a while to load. So if you click on it, you have the option to how to call it, kind of like make it your own. If you want it for an A5 paper, you can use that. You can click on the A5 here. If you want the A4, you can click the A4. If you want a standard paper, you can click here. So you can tailor it to what you need it for. And then it gives you different designs as well. As you can see, you've got this one here. You've got another one here, a different version. If you want to use it for things like menu as well. And then you go to customize template. Apologies, my internet is like really, really slow, but we're getting there. Okay. So as you can see, you've got a flyer here. So all you need to do is edit the writings that are there, and then maybe put in your phone number, your website, your business name, and things like that. And then when you have already like changed it to what you want it to be, you just go to share here and then download it. So it's easier when you're using your phone than when you're using the laptop, because what happens with the phone, because you've got all your social media sites there. So once you download it and then you go onto your social media, you can just share it to your social media, or you can go to the to your pictures, to your gallery, and then share it, and it goes directly to your social media. So it's very, 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 very simple. So after you download it here, you just share it, and then you can share it to all your business platforms. So just use it as you need it, whatever you need. If you need a presentation, do that. If you need to make a video, it does all kinds of things. It's a really, really, really good tool for businesses, depending on what you want to do. It's got like thousands. Look at, as you can see here, it's got like 20,000 templates just for Ramadan food flyer. So whatever you need, just put it in here in the search space there, and then it gives you like different templates for whatever that you were looking for. All right, thank you. Any questions? If anyone has any questions about the Canva, please let me know.
And
No?
you can find
Okay, I'll
yeah,
just pass it over to Radia.
yeah, maybe just add Fato, the Canva can be, it has the free version and it has paid. And
Yeah, I said that.
yeah, but it is completely free for the non-profit organization. Just you can send email to them that you have a non-profit organization, even social enterprise or community or charity, and they will give you permission to access any of these templates. Yeah, but for the one who would like another one, maybe you have to pay a little. So I think we now finish the first step, first station of our presentation today.